Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to Communications. This is the weekly check-in that I provide every Saturday. And the good thing about this is on Saturday, I actually open the course to start the next week. So we're on week 1 now. I'll open that today and you'll have an extra day to get that material started. So I want to put that out there. Every week I do an announcement via video check-in and that goes in the announcements section. Another note, as you probably are aware already, the course location has changed. So we're now on this course in Blackboard. They had to make a quick change due to the online scenario that this course is in. So it's on this Blackboard course. Don't go to the other one. You won't have any of these announcements. And I apologize for the confusion. I just want to do a quick introduction in regards to where to find information. There's a lot of easy access material here. I just want to note your view will be a little bit different than mine in regards to, you're not going to see this course management tab, but the announcement page will be at the top. If you click on course syllabus, you'll be able to pull up the course syllabus, the course schedule, which is very important, right? And we'll take a look at that. I'll have that downloading. And then furthermore, your PPS form and your course information and guide is here. Further down the line, if you go to course content, that's where the majority of our information is going to be within this course. You have a community forum at the top, which you will use to talk to students and ask questions. So if you have a question for me that you don't want to email, that you think could be potentially answered by another student, or you would like other students to know, feel free to throw that in the course community forum. Your research and video assignment is the biggest assignment overall that you'll have due this year. And we're going to look at that in the syllabus here in a minute. But that information is here, how it's graded, and the rubric, and then further, your APA research guidelines are in here. And we're not going to go over that now because we'll have more information further along the way. But we're in week 1, starting Sunday. You're going to have your first lecture here. You'll watch that. I try to keep all lectures under 15 minutes. And since this is purely online, I really lean on you as students to learn the material, go over it yourself. And this is a fairly easy course, right? This course is not meant to be difficult. So if you do the work, you try, you're going to get a good grade. So reach out if you have any questions in regards to that. You can download the PowerPoint presentation one step below that, and we're going to look at ineffective and effective communication as outlined here, and then you're going to have your week 1 review. So a week 1 review is the discussion board. You're going to have discussion boards throughout the semester at different times. It's not going to be every week, but it could be every 2 out of 3, for example. So you're going to post information about your reading of the chapters or your listening of the lecture, what your thoughts were. You got to post at least 200 words in the discussion board, your initial post, by Wednesday at midnight. So write everything that you can in that 200 words, post it by Wednesday at midnight. And then when other students do the same thing, you're going to reply to at least one other student by Sunday at midnight. So you're going to have 2 total posts, 1 initial reply, or 1 initial post, 1 initial reply, and then you should be all set from there. So let's look at the course schedule. Fairly easy to navigate. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail regarding it, and I apologize for the format if you can't see it. But you're going to have information about the objectives of the course in that given week. You can make, of course, week 1, outline your topic, your class activities are all there. And this is subject to change and there could be issues. So if you notice anything that might seem off, please let me know. But take a look at that and it should be a good guide for you in the course. And let's look really quickly at the syllabus. All right. So the syllabus, of course, is in PDF format, but it goes over the details in regards to the course. Make sure you submit work on time. That's the biggest thing. And if you reach out to me, I'm more than happy to help, especially with the writing skills. Your APA presentation that we talked about is 25% of your grade. You're going to have homework throughout the semester. It's not going to be every week, but those are called mini assignments, 10% of your grade. PPS, of course, is 15%. You got to make sure you're doing those discussion forums and things like that count towards that. Weekly review is a part of the same thing. So you could really say that your discussion, your work in the class, your talking with students, and how you respond is about 25% of your grade. So take that seriously. And then further, your midterm is 10% and your final exam is 30%. This course, like I mentioned, is not meant to be difficult. I want you to take advantage of the time that you have to learn how to write and communicate effectively. But if you submit your stuff on time, if you reach out to me if you have questions, if you really try, you're going to get a good grade. My overall average for communications is an A, and I look forward to that continuing because I think students in general at Pima do a great job of giving their best effort in whatever they do. So if you need anything, please reach out. Hopefully this check-in helped. Make sure you look at the lecture, and I look forward to working with you throughout the course. Thanks so much for joining in, and I hope you have a great weekend.